Okay guys, we got a 4 Loko here. Do a video for you. Nothing's really going right. All the signs are leading to not doing 3 of these, but I'll tell you why in a minute. So we'll get through here. So you guys can see the initial thing here. Hope I do it right. Make this hole just a little bigger. Tiny Tim triangle there. We'll try to do this as quick as possible. Okay. I'll show you guys something here. The reason I didn't want things to be looking bad, right when I'm going to do all 3 of these Lokos, the UPS guy came and made a delivery. Got my way, the sun's out, the neighbors are all out, and I want to show you guys something. A freaking dead bird. If that's not a bad sign, I don't know what is. So we got a dead bird here. If you guys can tell me what kind of bird this is. The eyes are already out of it. Got some purple and stuff in it. I don't really want to touch the damn thing. Carry diseases and whatnot, but poor thing. I don't know what, something killed it or it came off the roof or just died of natural causes, but poor thing. So I did the Loko shotgun there. I want to do both of these. That's a bad sign when you got dead birds, UPS delivery trucks right when you're trying to do three Lokos. But I meant to get rid of this thing, bag it up. Good thing tomorrow's garbage day. There's flies on it. So all right.